In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate live captions in Microsoft Teams, a feature that can truly be a game changer for multilingual meetings. Let's jump right in and explore how you can easily enable this feature to enhance your communication experience. First things first, you'll need to be in a Microsoft Teams meeting to start using live captions. During the meeting, navigate to the More Options menu, which you can find by clicking on the three dots on the meeting control bar. This menu holds various settings, but for our purposes, you're going to select Turn on Live Captions. You'll notice that as soon as you turn them on, Teams will begin to transcribe what is being said in the meeting. This happens by default in the language that Teams detects from the spoken words, but to ensure the most accurate transcription, you can manually set the spoken language. To set the spoken language, go back to the More Options menu. From there, choose Language and Speech. This will guide you to a section where you can specify the language being spoken in the meeting. Select the appropriate language, and this will help Teams ensure that the live captions are as precise as possible. Now let's talk about enabling translation for these live captions. Once you have live captions enabled, the translation feature becomes available. Again, head over to More Options and click on Language and Speech. Here under Caption Settings, you'll see the option to toggle on Translate to. This is where the real magic happens, as you can choose the language into which you want the captions translated. Select your desired language, and from then on, all captions will appear translated in your chosen language. A tip to keep in mind: although Microsoft Teams does a great job with the translations, the quality can still depend on factors like how clearly participants are speaking and the complexity of vocabulary used in conversation. So, clear and concise communication will always improve the accuracy of captions and their translations. In conclusion, the ability to translate live captions in Microsoft Teams is an incredibly valuable tool, particularly for teams that operate across different languages. It breaks down communication barriers and ensures that every participant in the meeting can follow along regardless of their native language. By following the process I've outlined, you'll be able to leverage this feature to its fullest potential and create a more inclusive and productive meeting environment. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this feature as beneficial as I do. Remember, clear communication is key in any meeting, and with these tools, language differences don't have to be a barrier anymore. See you in the next video.